Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. We're on Jamaica's south coast and we're bringing you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. I'm your host Michaela Leeanna and we're here to bring you your weekly entertainment fix. Mello Vibes, the popular old school party, saw a big crowd and great vibes at the mass camp. Pree Dis correspondent Chavelle Mela has all the interviews and all the highlights, so check it out.
Bring her in the room, see the money, put her to the seat, you're all dead
DJ Udembo, one of the DJs who tore up Mello Vibes and left patrons sweating. Tell me, how much work went into preparing for such an event like this?
You know, this is really not my first time doing a Mello Vibe, so it's like you come and you see what the people want from the beginning. They actually tell you physically what they want. So the work is really simple. You just have to give them what they want.
So an event like Mello Vibes with so many throwbacks, so many retro music, do you have any issues compiling songs to play tonight?
Hell no. There's a lot of songs out there from the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, even the early 2000s. It's not really that kind of event where you can play early 2000 music, but a whole lot of songs from the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. So we don't have a problem finding songs.
How do you feel about the reception you got tonight?
Excellent. It's always a good vibe at Mello Vibes.
We are at Mello Vibes with one of the promoters of the event, Jete. Tell me, how has Mello Vibes evolved over the years?
Well, it started out when I was at UA, and what we're trying to do is that every year we try to add a little more to it to make it better and better. And right now, 2015, this is Mello Vibes now. People enjoying themselves, and we enjoying ourselves, right?
How long has Mello Vibes been around?
It started in 2001, so it's actually 14 years now.
What would you tell the people, that has been one of the highlights of, Mello Vibes?
I always remember in around, I think it was 2006, when it rained, and basically Mello Vibes was a rain party. Everybody refused to leave, everybody stayed in the rain and enjoyed themselves. I think that was one of my highlights personally, my best Mello Vibes.
When and where will the next Mello Vibes be held?
The next Mello Vibes will be in New York. For the first time, we're taking the franchise to New York. We're quite excited about that. That's August the 29th.
The synergy is just crazy right now. Look at the crowd, look at the vibe, look at everything. It's just been a crazy partnership. It's been a crazy time, man. We're just enjoying ourselves to the fullest, all this to the fullest.
We try to target the people who we know will support superior parts in one aspect, and then we just group everybody together, bring it so that we can advertise more and get a better feedback from people.
Change up the vibe a little bit for your seats. This is some Mello Vibe. What the man say? Hear the mix, hear the mix, hear the mix. See what you can bring me when you need me. I never leave all this things so it's it's broken. Hey, hey, hey.
Well, I already advertised and I decided that I wanted to come because I always come to Mello Vibes. What do you like most about Mello Vibes? Well, I love retro music, so I guess that's what I like about Mello Vibes. Tell me, who is your favorite old school artist and why? Beanie Man. Why do you like Beanie Man so much? I don't know, his music is just catching and vibesy, and I love Calypso. What do you like so much about Mello Vibes? Woo. It's all fun, it's all good, it's all... Just forget about the stress, forget about the day's work, any problems whatsoever, and just have fun. What brought you to Mello Vibes tonight? The tickets are sold at where I work. Okay. And I've always wanted to come. It's my first time being here, and I'm having fun. Tell me, what brought you to Mello Vibes tonight? Just the vibes, and I'm feeling good, and I'm enjoying it. Is it your first time here? Yeah, that's my first time. And I guess you're enjoying it, really? Yes, I'm enjoying it. Are you planning on coming back? Yes, for sure. What do you like so much about it tonight? The music and all vibes, the whole issue. Mello Vibes is always my kind of thing. I love all these parties. That's what brought me out. What do you love so much about it? The vibes, all these music, everything. I can see that you're totally enjoying yourself. Tired. What brought you out to Mello Vibes tonight?
You don't know that's good vibes. We're always there, every year. Mello Vibes, yesterday's, Footloose, all of them were there.
Tell me, how are you enjoying the event tonight?
The event is good, you know. Full joy, we're there. We are support Mello Vibes.
Who is your favorite old school artist and why?
Bounty Killer, I'm a general.
Who is your favorite old school artist and why?
Bounty Killer at the Dan, one general.
What's in store for this year's staging of the Ms Jamaica World Beauty Pageant? Let's take you inside the press launch at the Pegasus Hotel for all the details.
I'm too sexy for your party, too sexy for your party. No way I'm disco dancing. I'm a model, you know what I mean. And I do my little turn on the catwalk. Yeah, on the I'm too sexy for your party, too sexy for your party. No way I'm disco dancing. Now,
what's going to be outstanding this year?
Hard work, improving our production, hosting the reigning Miss World 2014, Rolene Strauss, and the Miss World CEO, Julia Morley. So we're very excited about that, showcasing brand Jamaica, making it even more fun.
When will be your elimination?
June 21 here at the Jamaica Pegasus, and our finals will be August 15th at the Montego Bay Convention Center.
How many girls are you looking forward to selecting for the eliminations?
We're working with 20 this year. In 2013, we had such a good turnout. We went up to 25, but we've found 20 a good number to work with in terms of out of town, and all of that. So 20 is the number we're looking for. And remember, there are 2 automatic advanced placements with the winner of the Miss World Middlesex and Miss Jamaica World Cornwall. So we're really looking for 18 spots in Kingston or around the rest of Jamaica. In fact, in COMEX, one of our partners are going to be giving all 20 girls smartphones. We're going to be getting creative. The judges are going to have iPads where they go through, the judging process, and we're pulling in on technology through our partner in COMEX. It's going to still be over 50 million in cash and prizes, but as you know, this competition is heavily supported by sponsorship.
We are the broadcast sponsor. This year, what we'll be doing, we're ramping up the production. We'll be having a series of features leading up to the event on Flow TV. At the actual event, we're going to have a pre-show that will be live, as well as backstage interviews and stuff like that. So the whole production of the show, you're going to see a big improvement. We'll be sponsoring the media area, so members of the media can do their stories, their pictures, upload their links and stuff like that. So we'll be powering that. We'll be powering the streaming, because as Laura said, they streamed about 10,000 people last year, and we want to help them build on that that figure. So the broadcast experience and then the experience at the actual event with the Wi-Fi for the media and all the services that we're putting forward, we're looking for bigger things this year. This year we'll be broadcasting the Ms Jamaica World, not only in Jamaica live, but on our family of networks in the Caribbean. So in Trinidad, Barbados, St. Vincent, Antigua, St. Lucia. They'll have the ability to see Ms Jamaica World. And this is part of how we're developing Flow TV. We've launched it in 4 markets, and we have our sister stations in other markets. It really gives the Caribbean an opportunity to see what's happening in different markets. This is just another example of how we're bringing the sharing what's happening in the Caribbean with our neighbors.
It's not just a beauty pageant, it's not just about strutting across a stage in swimsuit. It, as the tagline says, means beauty with a purpose. So it has a lot to do with it. And there's so many opportunities. I am a much different person from the girl that won a year ago. I'm much more confident. And the question should be, why not? I'd encourage any girl to enter.
The Jamaica Beer Festival and Magnum King of the Dancehall, Devin Di Dakta, are all coming up right after this short break. We'll be right back.